Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to send out to you so that I can talk to you about a little bit of what we've seen on Freckle so far this week. I know it's our first week and we're trying to navigate it and figure it out, but this is my little demo class, my little practice class, so I'm the student here. And this, I believe, is something like similar to what you see when you log into Freckle. So let's take a look at it. Here you've got, how many coins you earn. You can set goal for yourself. Hopefully that's what you see on your end. And when you scroll down, you should see like there's math assignments and ELA assignments. What you see on this front page here is just extra practice. It's not something that Miss Cannon and I have specifically assigned for you. And it's not something that we're going to be taking grades on. What I want you to focus on is down here at the bottom. You should see the little backpack and it should have a number on there. This is, again, my little practice class. So I've sent assignments to myself, and I'm going to click on the assignments tab, and then that's where you should see the actual assignments Miss Cannon and I have made for you. So you should see an assignment for math, an assignment for ELA, and then science and social studies. There's a reading part for science and social studies and a writing part. So that's what you should see. And these are the assignments, the activities we really want you to focus on. This is what we've assigned you that go along with our standards and things that we've worked on in class. These are the most important things. If you do the skills practice, that's awesome. If you finish all of your assignments and you have nothing else to do, mom and dad want you to do more work, go back to that home page and do some of the other math and ELA practice things, but that's not what Miss Cannon and I have specifically assigned for you. You need to go down here to the assignments tab, the little backpack, and you'll click on an assignment and you'll complete it. And then once you go back to your assignments tab, if you finish the math one, this math assignment will be gone. So then you should have ELA. When you finish it, it'll be gone. Same for the science and social studies. You need to make sure every day you're finishing all of the assignments for each of these 4 sections every day. What we talked about in our Zoom session yesterday, if you weren't able to be there, was that if you let these assignments back up on you, Thursday and Friday, you're going to have a lot to do at one time. Each assignment should only take you probably about 10-15 minutes, maybe a little bit longer on some of the other ones, but I would stress to you the importance of just doing them each day and getting them over with, because if not, you're going to have a whole bunch of assignments back up on you and you have to finish it all at one time. And that can be really stressful and frustrating. And I don't want this, Ms. Cannon and I don't want this to be something that's stressful and frustrating for you. It's supposed to be a little bit easier for you. Now, that being said, when you log in and you do these assignments, if you go through and you answer all the questions really, really, really fast, Miss Cannon and I can see how long you've worked on an assignment. So if you go in and it says that you only spent 1 minute on the math and 1 minute on the reading and 1 minute on the writing, you're probably not going to get the greatest grade on those. So really take your time, slow down, read it, watch the videos, look at the examples, make sure you understand it before you submit answers, because this stuff counts. This is important. And we need to take it seriously. So just make sure you're doing your best, you're taking your time, and log in and do these activities every day. Remember, what is down here in the backpack where it says assignments, that is the most important thing. This is what we're looking for. If you do the extra skills practice, that is fantastic and it makes my heart happy. But don't do any of that skills practice until you have finished all of the assignments in your backpack every day. If you guys need anything, if you're unsure about a lesson, take a picture of it and have mom or dad text, email, dojo, send us that picture and we can help you. I'd be happy to do a video lesson with you. I know that this claims and evidence was a little tough, so if it's something that you're having difficulty with, I'd be happy to go over it with you, and so would Miss Cannon. Just let us know. Take your time. Make sure you're doing everything in this tab. And just do your best. I know it's weird and it's different, but just do the best you can. We love you guys. We miss you. And again, if you need anything at all, we are here for you. So just let us know, and hopefully I'll get to see you guys at our next Zoom session. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.